Well, hello everyone. You said you wanted a gua sha tutorial, so we are going to do that. And just remember, you asked for this. So I just put some of the serum on my face. I'm just using this one right now, getting a little low. I need to go get some more. But anyways, you just want to put it all over your face so you have enough, just so your gua sha tool doesn't really pull too much at your skin. Although you do want a little bit of redness because you want that chi or energy and lymph moving in the area. So I just have my gua sha tool, which I got from my acupuncture company, Eastern Currents. But you can have one from anywhere else. Again, Breeze has them. I think the Phil has them, lots of places around town or online. And then I like to start on the back of the neck here. Again, just going down the back of the neck so that, it feels like a good little neck massage. So I really shouldn't have gotten dressed for work yet because this shirt does not work very well. Anyways, then you want to go down these big neck muscles here, which get so tight because we're looking at our computers or phones all the time. And now I'm saying, oh yeah, look at your bones some more and check this out. So you just want to go down your neck as many times as that feels good. You're just really getting that lymph to flow down, okay? And out of the face. And then I take this little notch part and go under my chin here where the bone is, and it just feels so good because it gets all that lymph flow. There's lots of lymph nodes under the jaw line here. And then out from the chin, and out from the chin. All right, so then you can just take the big edge. Oh, sorry, I was using that edge here for along the chin. Then I like the big edge to change and go out along the sides of the cheek. And this can be really good if you have any colds, congestion, allergies, sinus congestion. You can really get into this area and it just feels so wonderful to open it up. You can also go down then the sides of the jaw. So if you have any TMJ, your jaw clencher, oh, this feels so good going along these really strong muscles, which are like some of the strongest muscles in your body. Then I like to take the notch again on here and go over my eyebrows. And again, if you have any eye issues or the allergies, there's more sinuses up here, and that can feel really good just to drain out that area. I'll go up and down the center of my nose. Again, great for all that. Then you can go up on the forehead. Again, just moving all that lymph. And then, so that's all with this edge, sorry. And then pulling it down to the sides and help that out. And then down, I like to finish just with taking everything back down and moving that lymph out. So that is my gua sha. And you can also just end by doing some tapping. So just tap along the eyebrow line, tap around the eyes. Again, lymph likes these light little movements. You can tap down by the side and around the lips, and then down the sides of the neck. So there you go, that's my gua sha. I do that fairly often just because it feels good too. So you can do that whenever you like to, or you can do it just when you're feeling allergies or sick. Or again, you can just do it on your neck. So it doesn't have to take as long as this even session did as I'm teaching you. And as you do it, you can get a little faster too. So enjoy, grab your gua sha tools and get going.